Hello, welcome to our third day of live streaming from ITMA Asia Shanghai exhibition. We are at booth number H8F15 of REFOND Equipment Corporation Limited. Today, we will introduce 4 functional fabrics related testing machines. The first one is the one next to me. It is the RF4008CF cool filling and heat conductivity testing machine. It conforms to the standard number JISL19277, GBT35263, and CNS15687, L3272 method. The construction of our machine composed of 2 main parts. The left side is the control cabinet and then the right side is the test chamber. In the test chamber, we have 1 base plate and 2 test heads. The 2 test heads are on the left side and the right side of the machine. When you do the test, you need to put the sample on the base plate. And the base plate is temperature controlled. It can reach up to 30 degrees Celsius and it can be cooled down automatically down to about 10 degrees Celsius. So you can have a range of temperatures to choose from for the temperature of the specimen. On the left side, on this arm is the cool filling test head, and then on the right side is the heat conductivity test head. Both test heads are controlled pneumatically by air cylinders, so the movement of them are very repeatable and precise. It eliminates the human error related to the older designs, which requires you to put the test head onto the sample manually. The maximum size of the sample is 200 millimeter times 200 millimeter, and you can put the sample directly onto this plate. As required by the GBT standard, you can also put the sample on this foam. Our machine can adjust to the both test conditions. So it can also adjust to specimens of different thickness. The machine has a touch screen. On the touch screen, you can set the test parameters for the Q max, which is the cool filling test, and also the heat conductivity test. You can set the temperature of the test head, the temperature of the base plate, and also other test parameters. In the test tab on the touchscreen, you can choose how many samples you want to test and the sample code. Also, you can choose whether to do just the cool filling test, just the heat conductivity test, or do both tests at the same time. If you choose the last one, which will do the 2 tests together, the machine will automatically adjust the temperature and then do the cool filling test first. Then the test head of the cool filling test will move away, and then the test head for the heat conductivity test will come into place for the measuring of the data. You can see all the stored results in the result tab and then view the detail inside. In the service page, you can do calibration for all the temperatures and the powers and the values related in this machine. Everything can be calibrated, so the traceability is very good.